Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Guys, today I am coming to you with a wig review, but I'm going to start after I've worn her for 3 days, okay? I'm going to show you in this video how I maintain my synthetic wigs, kinda, sorta. I have a whole separate video for that. Probably check it out right here, of like my top tips of how to maintain my synthetic wig. But for now, in this video, I am going to walk you guys through of how I got my wig looking back refreshed and how I keep it looking refreshed for a couple of days after I sleep in it, because we went from like this, from sleeping in it, and then of course, you know, when you take the wig down, it's looking like this. You know, we're gonna go from all of this back to this, back to this 3 days later. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys all of that in this video. If you like content like this, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button. So this is just some footage of a little unboxing of a few days before. I was going to film this wig and then I decided not to. That's why my nails are different and it looks a little different. Anyway, this is what the wig looks like right out the pack. It is super long. I just wanted to show y'all that. It's a 13x6 lace frontal, so you are going to get some parting space in there, you know, with your combs in the front, one in the back. As far as the cap, you can scratch your scalp, you get an elastic band, and then let's fast forward a few days later.
72 hours later.
All right, y'all, so I slept in this wig. So this is actually my 3rd day of wearing this wig. This is probably the longest I have worn a wig. I wear them for like 2 to 3 days. So this wig that I'm talking about today, I know this is a little different than the wig reviews we normally do on this channel, but I wanted to show y'all what these wigs are looking like after these reviews. I want to show you how I maintain it. I have a full video on steps and synthetic wig maintenance coming up, so check that out really soon if it hasn't dropped yet. But I was going to revive this wig and I was like, let me just show the people. So first, the wig. So this is the wig we are talking about here today, okay? This is the Outre Perfect Hairline P1 wig. I don't have the stock card. I have no idea what I did with it. I just kind of bought this wig and was going to just wear it and not review it, and then I'm like, I review wigs on this channel. Let me tell the people about the wig. So this is the Perfect Hairline style P1 wig. So let's talk about this wig. This wig is a textured wig. It also is a bang wig. Initially, I didn't show you what the bangs were looking like. I think I have it. I'm gonna like be popping up some videos or something here, because I was trying to figure out how I want to film this, because I didn't want to. Ooh, that's cute. That's a cute hairstyle. Look at that hairstyle. So I pin my hair up when I sleep in it. I mean, it's gonna get tangled, but I just revive the wigs the next day. So I put it in a bonnet. If I put it in a bonnet and I just kind of put it up like this bonnet right here, it's fine. But if I put it in a ponytail and just clip it up and just go to bed, it's a hot mess. It's a hot mess. And this is what I wanted to show y'all what these wigs are looking like, because I review these wigs, but y'all seem like y'all watching the videos, but y'all not watching it that much. So, you know, let me show you what I'll be doing. So it's gonna be tangled. This is what the wig is gonna look like. This wig, for the record, is very long. Again, I'm gonna be showing some videos popping up. It's long. I had to cut this wig because it was just too long for me. So I did cut the wig down to like here. I kind of messed up and cut my wig shorter than I wanted to, because my tripod broke, the mannequin head broke. Like, she was just a mess. She was doing too much and I couldn't get the cut straight and all that. Anyway, so this is a bang wig. Like I said, we're still talking about specs here. I know this video's a little different, but I'm talking y'all through. So this is a bang wig. It's gonna come with these bangs already. I did not put these bangs in this wig. It's gonna come with like these nice kind of fluffy bangs like this. When I sleep with it, I just kind of pin them to the side. Now the hairline on this, because I think it has a bang, it is not pre-plucked, y'all. The hairline is not plucked. If you wanted to wear this wig up, because we're gonna do some styles. I'm gonna make another video with some styles, so y'all stay tuned for that as well. It also comes with these nice layers in here, but you can't see the layers, but it comes with some layers in here. So let's bring this wig back to life. When you sleep in a wig, it's gonna be tangled. It's a synthetic wig. It's going to tangle. Do not think somebody scammed you. Do not think what's going on. It's a synthetic wig. This is how they are, but I'm so used to maintaining it that I don't mind when I wake up and it looks like this. What I would do, I kind of started this side like a few days ago of like toning down this wig, because this wig is a lot of hair. It is a yucky, it's more like a light kinky texture. Like, it's yucky. No, it's kinky. It is a kinky texture wig. This wig is absolutely a kinky texture wig. So this wig being what it is, it's a lot of hair. Like, it's big. So the other day I did start toning down this wig. like meaning like as far as the density of the wig, and I was doing that with heat, and then I was like, let me do it on the day that I film so I can show the people, because I be liking to show y'all stuff. You know, y'all seem like you benefit from these like little tutorial videos and stuff, so I was like, let me make the people a video. So what I would do first is split this wig. I'm just getting everything out of my way. This is the bang. I do want to keep this bang, you know, it's a little fluffy. I'm gonna keep it. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all the way I sprayed down the wig. Because it was like 2 to 3 days, let me show you the adhesive. This is the adhesive that I used to spray it down, because I know that when I want to wear my wigs for like 2 to 3 days, because that's like the max for me, but you probably can push like, you can probably go like 5 days. This wig is not going anywhere. This is the adhesive that I use. Yes, it starts lifting a little bit, but you just freshen it up in the morning and stuff, you know. But y'all know how to put these wigs down. I do it in all my videos, so that's that. So how I would freshen up this wig. First, I would start with my water. And the water just helps like soften it up a little bit. I would go in with my synthetic wig spray, because this is like a conditioning spray. It's not the gloss part of the spray, not the silicone spray. This is the conditioning part of the wig. And then I also, sometimes depending on the way the wig smells, I'm using some kind of fragrance. You can either use like something like this Aussie spray, but my go-to right now is this Way spray. I love this spray. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I'm just freshening up the wig. I like my hair to smell good when I freshen up my wigs if I'm gonna keep wearing them. So this has been my go-to one. And then I will detangle the wig with a detangling brush. Now you can use the unbrush. I've showed you guys that one in the past. This is the silicone spray too. I would spray this on too. I do. Just a light mist. But I feel like the combination of the water, the wig conditioning spray, and the silicone spray, I just feel like they all work together versus just using one. I don't know, that's just how I feel. So, you know, start from the ends, work your way up, and just get out the tangles of this wig. That's what you want to do first. If it's a little too tangled, use more water and just brush it out. Okay, that's what I would do. Ooh, this wig is tangled. They're synthetic. They're going to tangle. Oh my goodness. I mean, when I first started wearing synthetic wigs, I was so shocked that the wig tangled so bad. I was like, what is going on? These people lied to me. But you have to understand that synthetic wigs, that's what they do. And once you appreciate that, I guess, or understand that, it's fine. Like, you get over it. As long as the wig is not shedding bad to me or like tangling really bad, I'm okay with the wig. This wig doesn't shed that much. It's like perfect. So now what I'm gonna do, because this wig came with like some bumped ends, it came with like some bumped curled ends here, but I kind of lost it a little bit. I would use a brush like this. This is the mini TYMO hair straightening brush. I was playing around with the bigger one, but I find that the mini does help with like bumping the ends a little bit more. Let me show you. So I would turn this one up. Keep in mind that synthetic wigs, guys, you can go up to like 350 degrees. Anything higher is kind of pushing it. So on this, I go anywhere from like 320 to 340, and you can see exactly the temperature on the temperature gauge. I'll leave a link to this down under hair tools or wig essentials. I've been doing a lot of reviews on this one for my natural hair, and I love it. So I'm playing around with it with my wigs, and I love it too. And it beeps when it's ready. So you can also use like your blow dryer brush. This is the Dr. Knot brush. I like this brush. This is a hair blow drying brush for my natural hair, and I do use it for my wigs. But right now I am going to use this one because it's the same purpose kind of, and it's just going to kill two birds with one stone with the bump in. I'll show you. But this is the Dr. Knot one. If you wanted to just like get the tangles out of your wig after you wake up, like those ones in the back, like using this like really makes a difference, okay? But then the problem is that you're going to have like straight ends, and it's just gonna be straight. So that's why I'm going in with this hair straightening brush, okay? So with the hair straightening brush, what I would do, look at this little section in the back. I'm gonna grab here. Isn't this 99J so pretty? So this is what I would do with smoothing it out, okay? And if you feel like the heat's not high enough, go in a little higher. I think I said 320, but let's do 340. And you also don't want to increase it too high, because you will lose the texture of the wig, and you don't want that. So this is what I mean about me liking this little one for it, okay? Look, so I can bump the ends with it like that. Look at that. And I get my little bumped ends back with my synthetic wigs, and I just like that. So it's like I'm smoothing it out, but I'm bumping the ends as well, and I just totally like that. Like I said, be careful with the temperature because you will lose the texture of this wig. Me running this through over and over again is not good. But I just wanted to show y'all. So you see that? What I would do is I wouldn't run it through too much through all of here because I don't want to lose the texture. Now I'm just gonna run it through the ends here where I already like cut layers in it, because I did have to cut layers in this wig too, guys. I wore this wig already, like I told y'all. It didn't come like this. It had long layers, but I cut shorter layers in it. So this part right here, you could even, that's the, because I used water. Look at that. You just add like the bumped part back with this. I just love it. I like it because it's like the perfect, I don't know how to explain it. It's just perfect for my wigs. It's just, it works. It's adding that little bit of bump back that the wig had that it's missing. So I think I want to do this. That's the water, y'all. That's the water. But I think adding a little bit of water makes it bump a little bit more. So that's good. This is perfect for me for this wig because this is kind of how the wig came like this. And this is how I will bring it back to life. Like y'all see the difference between this and this, okay? Like this is how you bring them back to life. So let me go ahead and do the other side off camera and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I did this side off camera for the sake of timing and I like the results. So this is pretty much how I maintain these wigs. I did go up to like 360 on this. But this is how I'm maintaining my synthetic wigs. When I didn't have this tool, I still was using hot tools. I still was using like my hot comb. I still was using this. But having this tool is just like a 2-in-1. It like brings it all together. I'm able to not have to plug in my flat iron, a curler, my hot rollers like this. Like it's just 2-in-1. But again, keep in mind once you do this, you will lose the texture of this wig. But I'm okay with that because this wig was a little bit too much density for me, so it just kind of brought it down some. And then, you know, you could bring it in the back, and that's like the final. That's the final. I think that's the final. I think I came back and didn't realize I was supposed to tell you guys that's the final. We can do some updo styles. We can absolutely do some updo styles with this. I'm gonna make another video for that. Updo styles with a bang. Or some styles with a bang wig. But we're not doing that in this video. So overall, I do recommend this wig. Again, this is the Outre Perfect Hairline P1 wig, and it's the color 99J. We haven't seen a 99J in a long time because I recently did a reel, check it out right here, just showing the different blends. Like we got burgundies, we got burgundy wine, we got wines, we have like dark reds, but nobody is just focusing on 99J. Like look at this 99J. It's like reds with black. It's the darkest red close to black that you're gonna get, and I just want to really see more 99Js like in the synthetic wig game. Like I'm just so tired of seeing burgundies. I don't want those bright color wigs. You know, so Outre, if you're listening, please like bring 99J back. We need 99J and 1B mixed with 30. Like those are the classic blends. Those are the classic colors. This bang has been maintained for a few days actually, and I didn't have to do much with this bang. I did have to trim it a little bit, but I like the fluffiness of the bang. This is it. And even when I like put it to the side and melt it and all that, like it's still good. So just play with the wig, make it work for you. You can do the curtain bang thing with this. You can do that. You could part this wig. This is a 13x6, so you are going to get parting space in here, meaning that, again, this is a wig that you can put up. You can put this wig up and she will be so cute up. But y'all know Miss Khrissy don't really do styles like that. I don't. I feel like it's very time consuming for me, and I just don't like to do it. So I'm not going to do it. I'll make another video. Maybe. Maybe not. Serum. Get serum too. That does help. I like that for like after the maintenance. I'm just using my fingers. Anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. I think she's cute. Will I ever purchase her again? Probably not, because if I get a bang wig, I'll get Brindley. I'll just get a bang wig for a bang wig. I don't need a lace frontal to put my hair up because I'm not putting it up. I'm wearing it for exactly what it is. So I feel like the price point could be lower with a bang wig because you could get away with just that middle part in the middle, if that makes sense. But I would purchase this again for the 99J because I don't see 99J in other collections. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Even though I did heavily customize this wig, the density is not going to be like your wig. The layers, all of that is going to be so different on your wig because the original wig was very thick and very long. So I want to make that very clear because when you buy a wig, I don't need you to say, Miss Khrissy made me buy this wig and it didn't turn out like that. I'm letting you know right now, okay? So watch all the steps that I did to get my wig to look like this. If you like all the stuff that I'm wearing, these nails came out super cute. They're this kind of vampire-y blood cat eye effect nails. I'll leave a link below. I found them off Amazon. They are BT art nails. And if you guys do ask, because you guys do ask me in the comments, the lippy that I'm wearing is old. I'm so sorry. It is Too Faced Drop Dead Red. It is my all-time favorite. I cannot find it anywhere else. If you guys know a dupe for it, please drop it down below. But a dupe that I do know for this lippy, because I get so many compliments on this lippy when I wear it, this is Drop Dead Red, but a dupe is this Pat McGrath McMenemy. This is not a matte, but it is a beautiful dark red, and I think it's perfect for the fall. It's perfect for like this kind of hair, you know. Y'all know I try to match a little bit when I do my hair and my makeup. The jewelry, definitely Amazon. I wear this cheap jewelry from Amazon. Y'all know. I'll leave links below. I will do Shop My Look for everything that you saw. Drop me some comments down below. Do you guys revive your wigs like this? Like, tell me if this video helped you. I hope it did. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.